So I arrived in Africa and I met someone on the plane. You might have seen him before.
I'm back, baby.
He's back. We are in Africa, we are in Morocco. And yeah, it's so good to be back. It's 24 degrees, it's warm, amazing, wonderful weather. And yeah, we are back in Africa. And all of a sudden I found someone I also know.
Hey, Frederik.
Hi.
Hey, long time no see.
Welcome to Africa.
How come you're here?
I don't know. How come you're here?
I don't know. I just want to have fun. You know, boys just want to have fun.
Yeah, kind of. On the way here, we could see the beautiful Atlas Mountains. You can even see them in the horizon. It was so beautiful. So yeah, it's only been 5 weeks since I was here last time. I think, maybe 8 weeks. And now I brought Adam and David. Adam you've seen in other videos. And David, who I play with in my band, Tune there. So we're gonna make some content for the next 2 weeks. We're gonna stay here. It's gonna be amazing. So we arrived here in the hall, entrance hall kind of, and it's gonna be good. I am so happy to be back in January, Morocco. The weather is amazing. This time we're going to Casablanca. We're going to Essaouira. We're going to a one-day hike in the Atlas Mountains. We're going to have a nice time, 3 nights in Merzouga, the desert, Sahara. And we're gonna have a day in Ouzout waterfall. And we're gonna spend so many days here in Marrakech. I'm so happy to be back. It's been so long. So now the thing we always do, trying to find a cheap and good taxi. Can be a bit difficult sometimes, but let's hope we get one. What's your first reaction to the Moroccan air?
Pleasant. Yeah. Yeah, I like the temperature for sure. Some birds chirping over there. That's
And the
pleasant
cactus
too, and yeah, the flora and fauna is so different.
We got the taxi. I don't hope it's a fake taxi.
I hope it is a fake taxi.
So this is what 470 euros gives you. We rented this Airbnb in the middle of Marrakech, and it looks really nice actually. Here's Adam's room. Is it?
My part of the castle.
Etiquette.
Looks like.
It's a nice, clean room. We have a bathroom out here. Very nice. Shower, everything. We have a huge dining area here. In here, supposedly, is a guy sleeping. It was very early. We lost David within the first 3 hours, but it's not that important. We have the good old Hungarian politics. And we have this nice lounge area with a huge television. We're gonna drink so much tea here, and in here we have the king size with the golden lady on the wall. And what else do we have? What's in here? The kitchen. That's maybe the least modern thing. You have a window out here. You can smell all the Moroccan babushkas. Babushka, they are cooking and cooking. It smells good. Maybe we should join them for dinner. I don't know. Now David is gone. Fuck. The traffic here is like a jungle. You gotta decide when you pass. There's no red, green lights or anything like that. So yeah, it's nice to be back. I remembered this. We'll see. Shukran. So our first dinner. So one thing you gotta do when you come to Marrakech is to exchange some money, because they don't really take card anywhere, and yeah, you need it here. So I was very stupid in the airport to go to a place and paid 25 euros in commission. Here there's a place with a nice Scandinavian looking woman and it says zero commission. Yesterday was too much. We had too much fun with all the Moroccan beers. We had the Casablanca beer and it was delicious. As you might can see, Adam is in the back. David is not here anymore. It was too much for him. So he decided to go back to Dunakesi. Sadly. But he didn't want to wear our sunglasses, so that's what happens. We are now in downtown Marrakech and we found David again.
Hey, my flight was cancelled, as it turned out.
He's ready for some
Hanky panky. Told me hanky panky means breakfast.
Yes, lots of that. We are now in Gulis, the European French Quarter. Everything is quite nice here. This area is filled with Western shops, restaurants. Here you can at least get some alcohol if you're looking for that. We're not British, so we don't look for that. But yeah, it's a nice area. We're gonna go downtown to the old Jama el-Fnaa, where we did a video with Yusuf last time I was here. I'm gonna show them around. But first we're meeting up with our best Habibi here in Morocco, Adam, who is a nice guy, really nice guy. Here we have the main man, Adam.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Oh, yallah.
Hey, Yallah, you have to stop for the green light. Green light, let's go.
Yallah.
Squid game,
Moroccan Squid Game.
Moroccan squid game, Moroccan. Red light, green light. You have to go when it's the right time, you know.
Yeah, otherwise.
Yeah.
And how would the Moroccan woman be? How would she say?
They are good cooking.
They're good cooking.
Good at everything, you know, cuddling. You know.
Cuddling?
Yeah.
So we should find a Moroccan babushka for him.
For who?
For David.
Yeah, this
They can. He said they can cuddle, they can cook.
He's ready for marrying, you know, he's about to. He's ready for marriage.
He's ready for marriage.
He's about to.
Now we are entering the old wall. I read
wall,
it's
yeah.
like 1,000 years old. It's crazy old.
He looks like.
The beautiful old city wall of Marrakech. 1,000 years.
Put some money for some luck.
I don't have money.
You see that like great something?
Ah,
That's it, you know, since
1,000 years ago in Denmark we didn't have buildings. I think in Hungary you had the Matthias Church.
Yeah?
1,000 years old, kind of.
Almost. I mean, they started building it more than 1,000 years ago, I believe.
Ah, wow.
Around 1,000 years ago.
What is this place? It's like a meeting point for bikes.
this is the mechanic garage shop, you know. If you have, you know,
So you have like a street mechanic for all the bikes.
Mechanic, it's also like on the street because markets like it. It's Bangkok of Morocco, you know, a lot of bikes.
The Bangkok of Morocco.
Old women, young
Old
women.
women, But also,
Everybody's like riding a bike. No,
also she-males.
no, not in Morocco.
We're back in the Medina. It's been so long. I mean, 3 months, but now I'm back and I miss it. Welcome to the Medina. Goats. Or dogs. Hey.
Medina, this is the famous market of Marrakech.
It's huge. You will get lost for sure.
Oh my god, I hope I get lost. I'm here for the, the adventure.
Yeah.
I want to get lost and want to get attacked by guys with sabers and, like in Indiana Jones. And
I think you're the Hungarian Indiana Jones.
use my revolver, yeah.
If you...
In Ray-Bans.
Yeah. Welcome to the souk, the Medina.
Exciting. Very busy. Lively.
What I love about Marrakech is that they have 1,000 rooftops like this, and you can just chill, have tea, enjoy it. Salam alaikum. What do you think about the rooftops?
It's pretty. Gives us a new perspective.
On
Getting
live.
out of frame. Live.
You can leave your hat on.
Now I'm the grandma. I'm the matriarch.
Is open, it is closed.
Salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Can you open it, David?
Welcome. Magic box.
The magic box.
Yeah. One pieces.
Open it.
Cedar wood from Atlas. Open, close. Open. Not open.
How do you open?
See you open, I give you present for free. No.
It's on camera.
Open, open, close.
Is this the trickiest?
Try open. Friend, come.
Come, friend.
Yallah, come on.
Show me. Believe me, I make now present for free.
Prison.
By hand. I believe you.
We get prison for free.
I show you.
We go into prison.
Demonstration.
One moment.
Close, you open. Close.
They couldn't open it, but look at me.
Ah, you got it.
You know, I have the best friend. I don't know if it's the boots or your socks. I have a question. What are you making?
Look, I show you. I finish, I show you how I make.
I'm not finished. I'm Danish.
Look, ring inside.
Wow. It's taking some time.
How long are you making this? How many years? Like?
Huh?
40.
40 years. You worked with your feet for 40 years.
Yeah.
And they don't smell.
Not smell my friend, it smell. My feet smell cedar wood.
I have to smell your feet after this.
Not now.
Later?
Yes, maybe.
Oh,
Welcome.
I know a good restaurant.
Yeah. The whole with Berber Black and Decker.
What?
Berber Black and Decker.
I don't. Ah.
Yeah. Yeah. Look the color.
Aye. Gross.
In ring, in two color is Morocco color. This is good luck for you.
And
Did you get?
shukran.
Welcome. This is olive tree. Olive stick. Same. Good
Nice.
luck.
The plan is today to find a Moroccan football jersey with the one and only Ashraf Hakimi.
I think Asaf Hakimi or Brahim Diaz, but
Brahim Diaz, Hakimi, who's best? Let me know.
both. We love both.
Hakimi is good, but Brahim is in Real Madrid.
He said like I look like Hakimi. Yeah.
Really?
Little bit. I used to.
Let me know in the comments if this is the real Hakimi.
No.
Now we are entering Jama el-Fnaa. I was here 3 months ago. Not much changed. It's a bit cooler now to walk around. First time they're coming here. The huge market where thousands of things are happening at the same time. It's amazing to be back. Moroccan tea is the best.
Now
The
again.
best tea you can get is in Morocco, of course. feel mighty with this wand in my hand. Blue.
Bravo.
I'm gonna learn it.
Getting better at it.
This might look like a prison cell, but it's a fancy restaurant. Found the most hygienic place in Marrakech. So we have our mixed sandwich. This one.
Yeah, did everything.
Tastes extremely good. It's only €1. It's crazy. You can even, what can you get in Hungary for €1 these days? Nothing.
A hairpin.
A hair trim.
Hairpin.
Or a hairpin.
And one kifli.
One kifli or a mixed sandwich.
I need a Moroccan football jersey.
Gotta get it. New. Yeah, the newest. Brahim.
Hello, Brahim.
Should I sign for Morocco? Let me know. Think it's big enough? Do you have one bigger? We got the shirt. Brahim Diaz is gonna be the guy. So happy about it. From now on, I will only wear this for the next 13 days. Wish me luck.